Welcome to Cambis School of Business and Motivation. On this channel, we talk about business, we talk about success, and we talk about motivation. We share knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please slash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first person to be served. So keep watching.
Bien, pour nos amis francophones, je l'ai déjà dit dans une de mes vidéos, afin de réduire la durée des vidéos, vous verrez la traduction plutôt. Je ne vais plus faire une traduction de ce que j'ai dit en anglais, peut-être vers la fin de la vidéo, mais plutôt vous verrez une traduction de la vidéo sur la vidéo, c'est-à-dire que sous la vidéo, il suffit d'activer votre CC Closed Captions, sous-titre à côté du paramètre ici. Par exemple, quand j'appuie ici, voilà, donc c'est ça la traduction qui est apparue en français. Voilà, bienvenue à l'école des affaires et de motivation de Cambis. Nous parlons de business, blablabla. Donc c'est ça. Donc si vous suivez ou vous regardez la vidéo et que il n'y a pas la traduction qui apparaît, vous activez simplement votre closed captions, sous-titres ici, et ça vient. Donc c'est ça. Quand j'appuie ici encore, ça disparaît. Voilà. J'appuie encore, ça réapparaît. Voilà. Donc c'est comme ça, il faut activer son sous-titre. Comme ça, vous aurez la traduction tranquillement. Merci et restez connectés.
Hello, cherished viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are, and welcome back once again to this channel. It's been a while. My apology for keeping you guys blank for these 10 days without posting anything. It's for the upgrade of our knowledge. Yes, I've been attending some copy writing training. Guys, I must tell you, there is a huge lot of opportunities out there. Yes, there is. Like I mentioned in one of my videos, guys, you get to connect to the digital world and harness the benefits that is out there. Copywriting is one of the gigs that is actually in demand when it comes to digital marketing or marketing in general. So I've been taking this training for 10 days or 11 days now. I have to complete it in 21 or 22 days. So, but all my apologies once again for this while. I promise it a full tutorial on iMarketing. Yes, I know you guys have been waiting for this. Some people even dare me irrespective of this tutorial. So I want to focus on this from A to Z, iMarketing.
Yes, iMarketing. What is it? Like you hear the name I, artificial intelligence used in marketing. So the company Westford Alliance Limited, that's the company behind the EMB network. That's the company behind the IMB network. It is a global company that promotes aggregators products or businesses, retailers, companies products by using robot. So when you invest in the robot, you use the money to run ads on various websites for the affiliate companies or business that register with them with INB network. So when customers purchase through the robot ads, because the robot, once you put the money on the robot, it use that money to run adverts. So once someone purchases through the robot ads, he gets commission. That the robot, he get commission. Call here cashback. Call here cashback. Cashback. Yes, call here cashback. Yes, call here cashback. That ranges from percentages and that cashback. I think the minimum is 1.5% or so. Way to I think let me see the sales here. Actually the cashback ranges from, I think the minimum is 1.5% or so up to, I mean, more than 15%, 15%, or even more than that, depending on the company's policies for the cashback. So the cashback actually is shared between the investor, we put in the money in the robot, and the iMarketing team. The investor takes 55% and iMarketing teams takes 45%. Now, how to create an account on a INB network? So I have a link down below this video. I have a link exactly. When you click on the link, you come to a page like this. So once you are on this page, you click on register now. You click on register now. So this is the invite link. Somehow you just have to enter your name. Enter your name, your first name, your surname, your email address, your password, and confirm. And then you take the reCAPTCHA and you click on register. Verify, and then I click on register. Okay. capture another password. Show how it works. Quickly click on register. Exactly, you see, that is the ID for the new account I've created. So once you are here, you have to click on iMarketing. That is in the process of creating the account. You click on iMarketing. Okay, from there then you land on this page. You can see that everything is in Russia, so you have to change the language. You click here, this RU. Just click here, you change the language. It's kind of slow. So you click here. You change the language to your preferred language. English, Dutch, French is here. So let's change the language to English. So once you change the language, you click here to sign in. Just click here to sign in. So don't forget, this is the logo of iMarketing, the small brain in the blue, and you guys should be very careful because there are scammers now who are trying to emulate. So very careful for the logo. So this is the logo. You click on the logo to sign in. So you just have to sign with the credential, with the password that you use to create to register on INB. So the password you use to register on INB, that's what you enter here to finalize your account. So let's see. Robot. So the capture quickly. Then I'll log in. Add the password wrong. Voila, congratulations, you have created a brand new account on iMarketing. So like you see, this is the name you use to create the account. So the next thing now is to found the account for the robot to start working. That is it. So here, top up. If you want to use the gift certificate, so here you can use the gift certificate here for you to see how it works. We'll go to we'll come to that right now. They give certificate which is $50. So that's where you can get the gift certificate to start running the account while you prepare yourself to top up, which I will talk about right now. So here we created a brand new account, and then let's now go back to my main. Here we are on my dashboard, the main dashboard, my main account which I've been running so far on iMarketing. So let's quickly go through this. So first of all, you will see this here. First of all, when you land on the page, you will see here. First of all, we start with my advertising. Here you see my advertising, you see at work. So that is when the robot is at work. So before you farm the account, you see here off. Here will be off. So once you found the account, and you have to wait for some 3 to 5 days, and then it will start working. So you see here, then the cashback. The cashback, this is the commission. I mean, when he money use and then the cash plus that money use. So this is what you get here. The cashback. For instance, let's say you top up with $50 and the robot use the $50, or it will come back with maybe $75 or $80. So that is the cashback. So this cashback, it includes the commission and the amount spent for the advert. So that is the cashback. So this cashback is represented by this. You see here your cashback. This is cashback available, the cashback which is available, and the pending. So if you add these two, you get these amounts. If you add 28.95 and the 194.8, so you have to get this. That is the cashback for you. So to explain this quickly, the pending cashback is the sales. I mean the sales that have to be confirmed by the retailers. Actually, there is a policy from the retailers or aggregators. Once the customer buys something or purchase something, they give them some time frame, 2 to 3 weeks, even at times more than like 2 months, 60 days. So after that period, when the customer didn't claim anything, then they consider it final, and that's where they will release the cash back to you. That will be the cash back available. So within the time where the customer has to maybe return the goods or whatever, your cash back is pending. That is this one. That means this pending, their cash back that is not that has not been confirmed. So those that have been confirmed, it will be released here. So this one, for instance, it is available for me. I can withdraw. So that is the cash back. So then we go to advertising budget. So this is the amount, the amount I provided, I invested in the robot so far. That initial amount that I put in the robot. So the robot pitches initial when you deposited it, it appears here. You see in the add balance. So once the robot starts working, it will pick it and then add it to the advertising budget, then start working with it. So that is advertising budget. Profit. So the profit here, the calculation is a little inaccurate. Here what they do is that they put the 223.75 over 270.83 to get this profit, which is not exactly what it should be. Let's use the calculator to see. So 22375, 223.75 over 270.83. So that is it, 82.62. That is it, 82.62%. So that is how they calculated it. But that is not correct. What you have to do here for the calculation, if you want to do the calculation, really, we have to know the amount spent to get this cash back. So that's where we'll know exactly the profit or the percentage of profit that we made. So we'll get there when we'll get there when we are at stats. That is statistics. We'll see the calculation clearly over there. So that is the profit. We move on to as for the card. I think I mentioned the card already. The info on the virtual card, this virtual card. So you see add balance. I talk about the add balance right now. That is the when you find the when you invest initially, the funds will appear here. I talk about that, and then after it will move to here. So that is for the add balance. Your cash back is the cash back available for withdrawal. This one I talk about that one also. So this cash back you can withdraw and as well as reinvest into the robot again. So I talk about the pending also right now. So let's come to the cashback card pre-order. So here the cashback card pre-order. You enter your name, surname, country, you agree, and then press pre-order orders card. So I think at this time we understand that the card were all printed out. The card were actually, the number mentioned 500,000 is already gone. So maybe when they open for another printing, we'll know if we need it. I think the best thing is to withdraw your money through BTC, Bitcoin. So that is the cashback card pre-order. So that's how it is. It costs $9.99. Okay, so from there we move to AI Assistant. Let's see AI Assistant. So AI Assistant, here we are. So if you register on here, you register here as business. I think we saw that one in the EMB. I will show the place where you should register. You can register as business. So here, if you are AI Assistant, so AI Assistance here, what it does is that you can use this feature. You can use this feature to other calls. Like if you really want to do business with iMarketing, and then you want to reach out to your partners or your friends who can use your link to register, and then you have, for instance, a list, contact list. So this iAssistant can help you contact all your friends or your contact list, and send them the link, your link for the best offer. So that is how iAssistant is. So to inform them about the platform, what you want to do, what you want to achieve. So that is what iAssistant is there to do for you. So and then so they can register to your link, and as well as when they buy something, you can get some cash back. So when they shop online or offline through your link, when they get cash back, you can also get up to 50% of that cash of their cash back. So that is what iAssistant actually does. Online cashback. Let's move on to online cashback. Online cashback. Here we have stores. We have stores with online cashback. These are all the stores. They are here. Many. They have a lot of stores. I mean, more than 20,000. I think so. Stores they partner with that offer cashback. So you can promote the link of any of these stores, and when someone purchases through that link, you get cash back. You get cash back from that particular store. So there are many categories. You can see these are the categories for the shops. IT, for instance, if you press IT, let's see the IT, those who are into IT, place it. There's one here, Skillshare. These are the people in the IT category. Travel and tourism. Let's see, go and see. These are the stores in that category. So that is online cashback. So you purchase something online, you yourself, if you purchase something online, you can equally have some cashback. So exactly, that is what the online cashback does. So two things: you promote the link of these stores, and then you get cash back. Or when you buy you buy yourself in these stores, you can equally get cash back. So their cash back varies. You can see here 1.6%. This one 7.7%. This one is 10%. So they varies. Exactly, that's how they are. Let's see health and beauty. These are the stores in the health and beauty category. So you see the cashback 12% is here, 10%, 12.5%, 14%. This is fixed up to $16.9, and then so on and so forth. So these are online stores. So when it comes to offline cashback, so offline cashback, what exactly it is? Offline cashback, you get 1.5% cashback on a local store after a purchase. After you go to a local store in your area and you buy at these shops. The shops, they are here. When you buy, you get 1.5% cashback on what you purchase. So how it works? First of all, you just have to add. You just have to add your your card, your Visa card or whatever card you usually use to buy at the shops. So you add that card. You add that card. I mean the last 4 digits of the card to this platform. So exactly that same card you have to use to purchase offline or shop offline. So when you shop offline, you collect the receipts from those shops or those stores, and you come here, you upload them, you upload the receipts here to claim your cashback. So once you upload the receipt, your purchase or whatever you buy will display on the sales page. On the sales page, I think here, yeah, it will display on the sales page, and then the cashback will be available for you after verification period, which I'll talk about. After verification period, which I talk about, it depends on stores. Some 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, 45 days, just for you to claim or to cancel to bring back the item. So if after that period, then you see your cashback available. So let's see how it works. See, for instance, here, claim cashback. So when you click here, let's see where it will take us to. So that is what I was talking about. The last 4 digits of your card. Here, use that card to shop, and then the purchase will be displayed on the sales page, and the cash will be available after the verification period. So that is it. So next, so here's the virtual card. It was very bad. Yes, it is the card. So what I was talking about. So select the card type and enter the last 4 digits. So you enter the last 4 digits here, and then you make sure that you use that card to shop offline. That is your local store. This one. So let's try some number here to see. Let's try just some number here to see. To go next. So exactly. So do you confirm the card that you intend to use for offline shopping? Make sure the card number is correct, and the cashback can be confirmed only for purchases made using saved card. Exactly what I was talking about. So if you save the card, and then that should be the card you should use to shop offline. So that is just an example of number of a digit of 4 digits I've chosen. So here, when you click yes, and then it is correct, it will take you to the next level, to the page. But roughly that is how it works. So after that, the card is stored here. And then once you use the card to purchase, make sure you take the receipt. You come here, you go on to claim, then you upload the receipts, and then after verification period, you get your cash back. So like what I'm saying, you see here exactly. So you see, and I validated that card. That is the card number terminating with this. So card added. So that is here. So when you are at this page, so here you are to upload the receipt. So if you shop offline, so when you come to the system, when you press on claim cashback, it will take you to this page. So You just have to upload the receipt that you take, the receipt that you receive, the receipt that you took from the shop. So you just have to upload it here, and then you press on. Then it will prompt you. Then you press on claim. And that is all. So after the verification period, you have your cash back on your card. So exactly how it works, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next stage, which is my marketing. Yes, my marketing. Yes, my marketing here. We have a landing page. It's about landing page, and if you are in marketing, digital marketing, you know what is landing page. It is where you put your we want to promote a link, a product, and that is when someone click on the link, the first page the person will land on. That's the landing page. So here we have standard and personal. So the standard, assuming I have a YouTube video, which is highly recommended. So if I have a video and then I want to promote the link of if I have a video I want to promote my link, so I can add a video here. I can add a video. See if you see here, your personal assistant, when switch on, a brief text from you and the contact detail you wish to provide will display. So if I pick this one here, my detail will display here. The affiliate link, personal assistant. So this is a gift certificate that I can send to someone to actually register through my link. So here, my own video presentation. So if I want to promote my link, and then I have a video. So here is my detail, my name, phone, email address, WhatsApp number, Telegram, whatever about me. So I'll put everything here. They will all appear here. So I'll add my video to my link, and I'll promote it. Understand? You can equally use the video gallery of iMarketing. Display a series of video tutorial, just to convince someone to actually register to my link. That is my marketing. For the personal, this one, you just have to paste the link and promote it whenever you want. So here is it. So link to your landing page. So you put the link here, and then you can just promote it anywhere, whenever you want it to promote your link. So it will take to land. Once someone click on it, then it will take it to the page where you can register. For instance, you use if you use ClickFunnels or system IO, you can create a landing page easily through that and insert a video. So you create a landing page, and then you insert a video, YouTube video talking about iMarketing. So that is how the personal landing page works. So we'll move on to sales. So here the sales. These are the sales made by aggregators through the bot links. So you see the market bot sales. Here you see cashback shopping. So if you shop online, so you see here your cashback will appear here. If it's offline, your cashback will also appear here offline. So market bot. So for the market bot, these are the sales. See, so date of sales aggregator, sales amount, cash back rate, your cash back deduction, await, and then so the await is the time frame I was talking about, the verification time, the verification period for the retailer to confirm that okay, the customer has not returned the product, so now the cash back is free, and the aggregator will reverse it to you. So we have the sales amount here. For example, today 29 September, this is the sales amount I made 1, 2, 3. This is the sales amount, and these are the cash back rate. So this one give 6.75, this one 5, this one 10. So this one, the 6.7% on this, that is which is split into 2 here. Your cash back, I get 55%, and then the marketing team gets $3.26. So and then the await time is 35 days. So after 35 days from this date, from this date up to 35 days, you see if there is no claimer, then this cash back will come to me. It will come to me. So that is how it works. And you can see here the status is pending for 35 days. Then it will be available, the card. So that is the sales, and then how it is split. So I think we have this thing also done. Then the next is say we are in the sale. So the next is cashback. Cashback, you see, is about the certificate. I just talk about that. I talk about that right now when I created the account, how you can use it. So if you created an account, so you can, I show you there, you can use the gift certificates to run the platform. It is $50 to run the platform to see how it works while you prepare to top up. You understand? So equally, if I want someone to register, I can give someone, I can gift someone this card. I just have to copy the link here, send it to someone to register. You understand? Then he can start running his own account. But this gift card is to be paid back. It is a debt. So once you make some cash back, it will be deducted. So when you register, you can use this gift card to see the bot performance while you prepare to top up. I, for instance, will recommend that I will recommend this only if I will recommend a gift card if you know that in the shortest time you will be able to top up your account. The shortest time you'll be able to top up your account. That's where I can recommend this gift card. Other than that, relax, take your time, get some funds, and then create an account and start running your bot. Or if you know that with the gift card you can start running, and then you know that you have friends or people around you that you can actually convince to register under you. So it's also good. You can also do that so that when they register under you, you get some bonuses quickly, and then you top up the account to keep the robots running. So like I explained in the pending status of the cashback, it can take up to 90 days for the cashback to be available. So if you use the gift certificate, $50, that's why if you use the gift certificate $50, the bot will use it in no time, and then it will stop operating. The board will stop operating, running. And then you see that it will not favor you at all. It will not favor you. The board will stop running, and then it will be there. And then the little cash that you made, it will be taken to pay your debt. You understand? So it is advisable that you either take your time to find your bots, or make sure that you have people. Once you use the gift certificate, you can get some people to register under you, get some bonus, and then you run the bot in order to avoid the bot to stop at one point in time in the process. So that is for the cashback, because this gift certificate, the $50 is a debt that you have to pay quickly. So that is for the certificate. So we come to statistics. So I was talking about this page at the introduction, that they made some calculations. They made some calculation which is not correct over there. And when we get to stats, you see clearly the profit. So I was talking about here, general here. My advertising here, where I said that this profit was just the cashback over the advertising. Actually, you must know how much the bot used to get this cashback. That's where we can calculate the profit properly. So here, the stats present a summary of the situation, what has happened so far. So you see here, views. I mean, the advert has been viewed by 995 people, and then among these 995 people are 453 have visited the link or the shop, and then out of these 453, we made 105 sales. That is the meaning of this. So this is the advertising budget. We saw it in my advertising here till there. That is the initial fund. So this is the amount spent. This is where the thing is. So this is the amount spent, $132.28 to have this cashback. So they calculated the profit here by using cashback over the advertising budget, which is wrong. So what we have to do is that we have to do the cashback minus the amount spent. So this amount spent is what brought back this. So this amount is already in this 22375. So now to know the profits that we made, we have to deduct this amount from the cashback. Understand? So from the cashback, then we know our profit. So that profit over the amount spent will give us the percentage. So let's quickly come to our machine again. So here we are. So here we are. Let's see. It is 235 223.75 minus 132.28 minus 132.28 exactly. So this is our profit, 91.49. So that is the profit that we have. So this 91.49 over 132.28 will give us a percentage exactly. So 69%. That is our profit, not 82.62, but our profit over the period is 69%. That is what we got. And then this started somewhere in on 7 September. Yeah, exactly this month, 7 September. So meaning 21 days. Within 21 days, I made a profit of $91.47 using $132.28, and then the percentage is 69% within 3 weeks. 21 days, within 21 days, 3 weeks, I made 69%. That is how powerful the platform is. That is how the robot works. And then, you see, the secret is that for the robot to be highly performant, is to be highly for the robot to be highly efficient. To be highly efficient, you have to top up. The top up should be a little over $200. That is what experts recommended, because if you use $100 or $150, and the robot will use it, first of all, it will not pick much, and then you see that the return will be small, and then also it will finish, and then the robot will be off. So it's recommended you use $100 and above. I use $270, and then the result is just marvelous, 69% within 3 weeks. That is it. So $91 for 3 weeks. That is what I've earned. I have as a return. So this $91.47, if you do the calculation, it will be around $5 or $4.5 a day. That is for the 3 weeks or for the 21 days. So that's what I have got. So that is how the calculation is done here. So when we move from the start, so the start, like I was saying, a summary. So you have all the dates here, and the amount of sales, the views, the visitors, the number of sales, the amount, the cashback. So 27, 28, 29 is here to close for the data to be displayed. So we'll go to top up. Amount to top up is $10, and the maximum is $1,000 is here. So if, for instance, I want to top up with $10, I enter the $10, and then I'll come here, and then I'll select Bitcoin. See, that is the equivalent of the Bitcoin I want to send. $10. That is the equivalent of the Bitcoin I want to send. So here we are. So the perfect money, I think they are having issues with perfect money, and there are also Theta, ERC20, Ethereum. At times when the platforms are loaded, it's difficult to send the money. So the recommended Bitcoin, which is a very quick Bitcoin, and then the platform they also mention is Binance, Remitano, and another one. Yeah. There is also Coinbase that also works well. So if I want to add this $10 to my top up, I just have to click here, pay. You see, so it has brought me to this page. So please, when you get here, take your time to read this very well. Mandatory requirement for invoice payment. So you get to read this very well, because there is penalty attached to it. Here you see the $50 payment search fee will be charged for every transaction if it has not been sent properly, and you ignore any of the mandatory requirements when paying the invoice. So please take your time and read here very well. So on this page we have the amount we want to send, the $10 equivalent in BTC. So what you have to do, that is the wallet address, and note this very well. This wallet address is a unique use. So if you are going to send the money, $100, $200, make sure it is one-time sent. Don't send $50 and then use the same address to send again $50, it will not come. Because this address is only one unique use. So you copy the address, you go to Binance, the Metano, or any the platform that can send a BTC quickly. So you copy this address, you go to that platform, you paste it there, and then you withdraw from that platform to here, or you transfer from that platform to here. So you see, it's just waiting. So as soon as I send the money, if I copy this address and then I send it to the platform and I send the money, so here will change to waiting. Then small time you see that received to change to received. So that's how you add or you top up the money. So for instance here, let me see my available cashback, so that I can use to top up. So that is it. Let's close here and then come back here. So let me try to see if I can top up with, okay, my cashback has gone up. Let me use it to top up, use cashback, that is the amount. So I want to top up with my cashback so that my robot minimal amount $10. Okay, so let me enter the let's say, or let me use the $30 on it to send. So pay, replenishment completed successfully. So okay, it has gone. So let's see what happens here. There is it. The amount has reduced 0.77. I used 30 and then it has reduced to this. So you see, now it's the 30 has now shown here $30. It's in the add balance. So small time it will move from the add balance to here. Does it exactly? So here you see, small time this $30 will move to the advertising budget. So and then the robot can continue running, because as of now, if you check the stats, let's see the stats, it will be amount spent, the 137. So I'll be left with somewhere 133 or 133, 132 something, which is low. So when I top up with this 30, I think I'll be above 150, which is a good thing. So my robots can be more efficient. So that is for transfer. So the transfer for the first time, the transfer or withdrawal, if you want to withdraw, you come to transfer. So the minimum for the first time is $100. Yes, it's $100. So after $100, then you can withdraw from $10 going. But for the first withdrawal, it is $10. It is $10. First withdrawal is $10. For instance, I have 28. If I want to withdraw 28, let's see what it will say. Error. Exactly. So you need to have around $100 before you can withdraw. So that is for withdrawal or transfer. So task. As for tax, I think here is for reward. So like I was saying, we start. You have some tasks to perform, and you get some reward for promoting marketing. So these are the reward: $1.5, $1. So let's see the first one, the detail in the first one. See reference to the video. YouTube. That is their video. So the comment must correspond to the topic of the video and consist of at least one meaningful sentence with your own impression. You must be subscribed to our official YouTube channel. Send a link to a screenshot of your comment in the report. Upload the screenshot via this link. Each comment has the unique. Each comment has to be unique in content. To calculate the reward, the task should be performed in 2 social networks, YouTube and Instagram. The task can only be performed once. So that is it for tasks. So that is for the task. Let's come here to FAQ, that is frequently asked questions. So for frequently asked questions, these are the questions frequently asked. If you have any question that has been not answered so far, or you have something you want to ask, you can go through this list of FAQ, and then if you don't get the answer, you can equally write to support to get the answer. Like I mentioned, there is a link to my Telegram channel where you get all the links to AI marketing support. Yes, including their email address there. So that is for fact. Let's come to the online support. Online support somewhere here. Yes, support. So the support, you can write here directly for them to answer you, but I'll is here. Is online support. So as you can see here, hello, I am MarketBot from the support team. Please enter a question or select one of the questions below. Hello, I am MarketBot from team support. Please. So that is it. You can select one of these or enter your message here. But I would say it will be very interesting to join the support, and also to join the channel, the chat channel. There you have a whole lot of things to see. People who have been on the platform for long, and all the questions, the worries, they have them answered there. So once you join the Telegram channel, you have all the questions answered to you. So that is the last one for here. That's the last one for here. I think we just have to go to ENB, the ENB where we started from. So remember, when after creating your account on INB network, so here iMarketing will take you to the platform where you enter your credentials to be connected to the iMarketing platform. So how to earn? They are all here. You can go through the list to see how it is, how the earning methods are. But I can just summarize them here from the iMarketing platform to INB. So the first investment line is to invest in the bot. That is the iMarketing platform. You invest there and you get your daily return. And the daily return, the return at the end of the month is between 25 to 35%. Interestingly, at times your robot can be more efficient, and then you go over 40%, like what I showed in the video. Within 3 weeks, around 69% or so. That is it. So the second line of earning is referral through your affiliate link. So someone register through your link, you get 5% bonus on the registration. The third is you call it PRTN, that is the affiliate bonus, the team. So once you get people register under you, you from your binary, you get start getting this PRTN, which is the team bonus. The fourth line is the NBO. NBO are tokens, that is VIP bonus that allow you to get the NBO tokens. You can sell it on the platform. So once you round to a certain level, you qualify for these tokens that you can sell on the platform and get real money. So one NBO token is equal to $1 as at present. Now the fifth line of making money here is cashback when you shop online or offline. So you have your cashback, some returns, and then the sixth is the cashback when someone purchase online in any of the aggregators shop through your link. So that is the line of earning money on the network. Let's move on to market. So these are the community offers from companies, online book. So these are the some shops you can actually purchase from. Chat your affiliate. So if I have partners under me, I can be chatting here with my partners, my affiliate, which you see here. Assets. So like I was saying, so when you qualify, you get this one. So you'll see your PRTN appear here when you get the bonus. NBO also when you qualify, which will be here. You see NBO, you can send NBO or sell it on the platform. That is talking about your asset. You see partners. Partners are people that register to your link. They all appear here. You see them. So far, I've not gotten anyone yet. Next is invite. So your link. So like I was saying, you have two links here. You have IMBA network. The first one is for your affiliate. It's for referral. So you copy this one, and then you can send it to someone to register to your link. And this is for the cashback. So when someone purchases online to your link, so you get some cashback. This to promote this link for iMarketing. Exactly. That is it. The next is the invite. That's what you so the votes like you know, for instance, if there is anything that any decision to be taken, you have to add your voice here. Just click the plus button, then you can vote for the issue. So news. These are the news updates on the news. And then the language. Here you can change the language to any language that you want. If you are English, you can change it to any language. The available languages are here. You can change it here. You can change the languages. And then the settings is where you can set up your 2FA security authenticator. I think we'll come to this specifically in another video. So I think and the sound. So the sound too, when you put it on any notification, any message, any whatever you post back on the platform will get notified. But 2FA security, I think we'll come to that. We'll come to that in another video, so that we set it up clearly. So I think I've gone through all the things here on iMarketing and INB network. I think if there is any questions, any worries, you can drop your comments, your questions in the comment sections for us to address them. So that is the video for you. I think I've not left anything behind. I went through everything. So the link is in the section below, the description section. If you want to register, you are free to go. Like I said, you can register and play around with the gift card, which is $50, to see how the platform works. And don't forget that it's a debt that you have to refund, you have to pay back. So that's what I want to share with you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that will not miss the next video. Like I said, the next video will focus on the 2FA authenticator. So now that the scammers are plenty, we need to secure our account. So please, thank you, like and share this video around. God bless you. Bye.